Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BasedTurbo token. Now the original Turbo token I believe was one of the first, if not the first, token created by AI that was very popular, a very popular meme coin where I believe ChatGPT somebody obviously put prompts in, but ChatGPT basically just created a meme coin, called it Turbo, and had a couple little notes about it, and somebody launched the token. It was very popular, and then when you get very popular tokens, you get spin-offs, and now we have one on the base chain, BasedTurbo. So we're going to go over the BasedTurbo token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on BaseScan. Now if you are looking for the price and the chart and all the statistical info, you can find this token on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. This is a very brand new token here. Basically just came out on UNISWAP 18 hours 57 minutes ago. So it's not even a day old yet. And they have a $1 million market cap already. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. Right now they are trending number 2 on DEX Screener in the base section. I saw them trending number 1 earlier. They are also here. They're in the green today by a lot. It says they're up 28,492% in the past 24 hours. Even in the past 6 hours, they're up 33%. In the past hour, they're up 12%. In the past 5 minutes, they're up 9%. So they are on fire right now, basically. 33,634 transactions in the past 24 hours. And they have a $1.5 million 24-hour trading volume. Now, right now, they have $103,000 worth of liquidity in UNISWAP, and according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, they have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener today, so that has helped them become, popular, of course. It says marketing boost 500 lightning bolt ads. So they're doing a great job of shilling the token out today. Now, if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have a wallet, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could also use a Coinbase, MetaMask, Trust wallet. Yeah, any one of those wallets would do. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base. Or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So once you funded your wallet with Base, you would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is BasedTurbo.io, you would trade your Base for the BasedTurbo token using that contract address. Now, we can see if there's taxes here. It says 0% buy and sell taxes. So you will not have to set slippage when buying this token or selling it. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. And this token may get some central exchange listings in the future, and that's why it's a good idea to follow the socials. Now, they have a couple quick audits. We can look at those in a second. It says right now they have 12.9 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 3.51 billion pooled BasedTurbo tokens. So it says, a meme coin for the people. Turbo token began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation on the mainnet Ethereum. Inspired by the power of artificial intelligence, the project's creator turned to GPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next great meme coin, starting with a budget of just $69. To pay homage to our mainnet counterpart, and for those of us that missed this entry, we bring to you BasedTurbo. So they're quick audits here. So first of all, they have a quick Intel security audit that you could find on Dex Screener. It says ownership renounced, no hidden owner, no suspicious functions, no honeypot, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, no pausable transfers, no trading cooldown, no blacklist, no whitelist. Now, if you go over to GoPlus Securities Quick Audit, which is on Dex Screener as well, all good check marks, except this audit says there is blacklist and whitelist. So for some reason, one audit says there's no blacklisting and whitelisting, and the other one says there is blacklisting and whitelisting. So there's a conflict, and it's hard to know which one's accurate, which one's right, and you'll just have to basically take it with a grain of salt and thoroughly do your own research, because, who knows which one's accurate. So it says liquidity burnt, total supply 69 billion tokens, no taxes. They do have a how to buy step-by-step on their webpage. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, you could follow the steps at baseturbo.io. They also have all the links to their socials. Dex Screener, chart, Dex Tools, buy button, Uniswap link. It says Turbo is a meme token made just for fun. Disclaimer. Their Telegram is at BasedTurbo, no D. So just BasedTurbo. 181 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates and announcements. And same with their Twitter right here in the corner of the screen at turbo_on_base. And you can see the contract address is also right there. Real easy to find that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.